Good morning, students. I am going to describe your first grammar topic of your English grammar book, New Grammar Magic of 8th class. So, open your first topic, nouns. Your first chapter is nouns. As you already familiar with this chapter, let's again continue with this chapter. A new noun is a naming word. As everybody we know that noun is a naming word. It can be a name of anything, person, animal, place, thing, so on. It can name anything, a person, animal, place, thing, quality, feeling and idea. Clear? As I already told you so many in the class, name of any person, animal, thing, place, your feelings, quality, idea, anything else, these are called noun. I hope everybody you have to clear the definition of noun. Noun is a naming word and it can be anything, means it can be name of any person, animal, thing, feeling, quantity and idea. Let's continue this chapter with the types of nouns. Here are 5 types in your chapter: common noun, proper noun, collective nouns, abstract nouns and material nouns. Common noun are nouns that name anything that is shared by every person or thing of the same class. They do not refer to any particular person or thing. Clear? Common noun, when we take a just common noun of any shared by every person or thing. For example, tent, arms, soldiers, boy, cook, door, teacher, anything else. Clear? Which that name anything that is shared by every person or thing. Clear? Like for example, hotel, but we don't know the name of that hotel, but hotels are there, so that is a common noun. Proper noun. Proper nouns are nouns that name a particular person or thing. Proper nouns could be our name, the names of our friends, yes, the name of our school, the name of our building, the name of our taste and the name of our country. ठीक है, as I told you, here is a name which that is shared by every person or everything, like hotel, like book, boys, class, cook. Clear? But here in proper noun we are taking a particular name of that person, of that thing, animal, like that. ठीक है, suppose here you have to speak in common noun only school, but here you have to speak the name of your school. Here is friend, but here you have to speak your name of your friend. Here is buildings, but the name of here is building in proper noun. Same state is here, but the name of our state is in proper noun. I hope everybody you have clear. For example, for this, like India, ठीक है, name of any teacher, name of any school, Noida, name of any city, Noida, Delhi, these are the proper noun. Next, collective nouns. Collective nouns are nouns that name a group or a collection of things of the same kind. This thing I already told you in the class. The name of group means the group of any person, the group of any thing which is same kind, like for example a group of elephants. ठीक है, a group of elephants is called herd, HERD. So that is herd is collective noun. For example, bouquet, class, bunch, crowd. Bouquet is a group of flowers, class is a group of students, bunch is a group of keys, bananas and grapes, crowd is a group of people. I hope everybody clear what I want to say, that in common noun we take that name which is shared by every person. In proper noun we are taking a particular person, the name of that particular person and name of that particular thing or animal. In collective noun we take it as a group, same group. इसमें ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आप अलग अलग पर्सन्स के ग्रुप लोगे, सेम ग्रुप. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एज आई टोल्ड यू, ग्रुप ऑफ फ्लावर्स, ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, ग्रुप ऑफ ग्रेप्स, ग्रुप ऑफ एलिफेंट्स. क्लियर? then we take it as a collective noun. Next, abstract noun. Abstract noun में हम क्या फॉलो करेंगे? हमारी फीलिंग्स, हमारी थॉट्स, आइडियाज़, हमारा एंगर, हैप्पीनेस, these things we conduct. Abstract noun are nouns that name ideas, thoughts and feelings that a person can feel within himself but cannot experience through his five senses. ठीक है, what are our five senses? You very well know about that. Sight, smell, hearing, touch or taste. Clear? Sight, smell, hearing, टच और टेस्ट. ठीक है, हमने इसमें क्या कंडक्ट करना है? वी आर नॉट टेकिंग अ फाइव सेंसेस ऑफ इन abstract noun. We are just taking ideas, thoughts and feelings in abstract noun which a person can feel. If he is happy then feel कि वो खुश है. If he is sad वो उदास है. He is in grief वो दुख में है. Like that. For example, honesty, happiness, sorrow, excitement, boredom. Clear? Next, material nouns. These are nouns that have a material, a substance or an ingredient that other things are made from. क्लियर? इसमें कौन से नाउन लेंगे जो मटेरियलिस्टिक है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आयरन, सिल्वर, रबर, सैंड. दीज आर द मटेरियल नाउन्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब्रास, cotton, plastic, rubber, sand and silver. These are materialistic noun. I hope up to here everybody you have to clear the definition of noun and types of nouns: common, proper, collective, abstract and material nouns. Next, here is one exercise. Characterize the following nouns as common, proper, collective, abstract and material nouns. Clear? I am not continue this full exercise, but we have to highlight some points. Like Delhi. Delhi is a proper noun because that is the name of a city. Cat. Cat is not a proper noun, that is a common noun because we don't know the name of a cat. Clear? Same. Doctor. Doctor is a common noun but we don't know the name of the doctor, so that is common noun. Delhi is a proper noun. Clear? Nylon. Nylon is a materialistic noun. ठीक है. Bucket is a collective noun. Again, copper is a materialistic noun. Doll is a common noun. China, proper noun. British, again proper noun. Group, collective noun. Generosity is a abstract noun. Clear? Announcement, again abstract noun. ये आपकी feelings को show कर रहा है, आपकी thoughts को, आपके ideas को show कर रहा है. Attachment, again abstract noun. Beauty, abstract noun. Gang is a collective noun. ठीक है. Wood, wood is a materialistic noun. Duty, again abstract noun. Again this shows your feelings, thoughts. I hope everybody clear. Ganga, Ganga is again a proper noun because there is a name of river. If here is written only river then that is a common noun, but here is Ganga, so that is a proper noun. I hope everybody clear up to here. Move on your next page. Yes, here are formation of abstract nouns. Actually one page of formation of this here and one page of is here, and again next page is here of formation of abstract noun. Actually these are the abstract noun which is going to tell you that when you got any exercise in filling the abstract noun, then you have to add the suffix. You have to add the suffix. What is suffix? Suffix are a group of letters added to the ending of the some words to make new words. Clear? Suffix ऐसे words होते हैं, ऐसे letters होते हैं जो एक word के end में ऐड किए जाते हैं ताकि न्यू वर्ड बन सके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अचीव, अचीवमेंट. एंजॉय, एंजॉयमेंट. हेयर इज मेंट, मेंट, मेंट. दीज ऑल आर सफिक्स. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट जैसे बाय एडिंग एंस, अटेंडेंस. ठीक है. एंट्रेंस, गाइडेंस. दीज आर अगेन suffix. Means formation of abstract noun show you how to you have to add the suffix at the end of the word by adding some letters to make a new word. Next is here ans, dependence, reference, difference, residence. Clear? By adding a trial, removal, proposal, approval. Is an admission, decision. Next is that omit, omission. ठीक है. Divide, division. These are some words which you have to add in abstract noun. Read this page by your own self also by adding shun, action, collection. decoration, celebration, attraction. Clear? Inspection. Next Y, assembly, discovery, inquiry, flattery. Then URE, departure, closer, pressure, failure, age, carriage, marriage, package, passage, breakage, wastage. Here are some words. Next T and TH. Okay, you have to find out on which word you have to place T and on which word you have to place TH. For example, complain, complaint, wait. But growth के साथ हम only T add नहीं करेंगे. Growth, die, death. Next ness, bitterness, brightness, loneliness, happiness, selfishness, heaviness, goodness. These are again new words which making by the NESS. ITY, active, activity, moral, morality, grave, gravity, punctual, punctuality, human, humanity, equal, equality. I hope everybody clear. Move on your next page. Next is ans and ends. Abundant, abundance. ठीक है. Ignorant, ignorance. Absent, absence. ठीक है. You have to clarify these words where you have to put A and CE and where you have to put E and CE by reading the word and why have to changing their meaning. Like patient. Here is E and CE, patience, not A and C. Clear? Diligent, diligence, E and C E, not A and C. But here is brilliant, brilliance, A and C E. So please try to cover these things. Keep in your mind. CY, RY and TY. Again here is accurate. ठीक है. We have to find out is accuracy is correct. Accuracy and equity both are wrong. Accuracy is correct. Same frequency. Urgency. Brave. Here is not bravery. This is wrong word, right? So brave, bravery. Certain, certainty. Clear? Next one more example. Loyal, loyalty. Quell, quality. Poor, poverty. Next hood, brotherhood. ठीक है. Boyhood, brotherhood, manhood, girlhood, motherhood, childhood, fatherhood. These are very interesting words. Next is ship, friendship, membership, ownership, kingship. ठीक है. Partnership. Again these are the new words making by ship. Age, bondage, parentage, usage. Clear? CY, agency, infant, infancy, vacant, vacancy. Okay, let's move on. Exercise which you have to clear. Fill in the blanks with the abstract noun forms of the words in brackets. Dash is the most enjoyable time in one's life. Child, childhood. ठीक है. Childhood, बचपन. Dash awards are given every year. Brave, bravery awards. Okay, I hope you have to clear. By joining the suffix you have to fill the abstract noun. Now move on next page. She is known for her dash politeness. He quenched his dash by drinking coconut water. Quenched क्या होता है? सेटिस्फाई करना. सेटिस्फाई बाय ड्रिंकिंग समथिंग. ठीक है. उसने अपनी प्यास को किससे बुझाया? कोकोनट वाटर से. He quenched his thirst by drinking coconut water. She received serve dash for cheating in the exam. Punishment. Dash always wins. Truth. I could feel the dash of the sun. Warmth. I value dash more than anything in this world. Friendship. FRIEND. Friendship. Next, you need to control your anger, not angry. India got its dash on 15 August 1947. Freedom. Okay. Now, next, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Nouns can be countable and uncountable. As you already familiar with again this point, countable and uncountable. Let's again revise. Those countable nouns are those that can be counted. Nouns like fingers, flowers, desk, children can be counted, whereas nouns like water, milk, rice, sugar cannot be counted. Clear? We can't count the milk, one water, one two water. We can't these things. Okay, हम water को, milk को, rice, sugar को count नहीं कर सकते. These are uncountable nouns. Fingers, desk, flowers को हम count कर सकते हैं. These are countable nouns. For example, we can say 5 fingers, 2 flowers, 20 desk, 1 children, 14 children. Okay, but we use quantity for the uncountable nouns. For example, we say a little water, a lot of milk, too much sugar, very less rice. Clear? We can't say the 1 water, 2 rice, 4 milk. Okay, so we have to use the quantity. We have to use quantity for uncountable nouns. We usually use some other countable nouns with these nouns also. For example, we say 1 glass of water, 10 kilograms of sugar, not 1 water and 10 sugars. As I told you, not 1 water and 10 sugars for rice. We can't counted this like that, but 1 glass of water, 10 kilograms of sugar, we can count in just as a countable noun, and we have to measure the uncountable nouns with quantity. I hope everybody you have to clear. Just see 1 or 2 example. Write C countable, write U uncountable. Okay, clear? C is a uncountable. Okay, soap is a countable. Fine. Bravery is a uncountable. Water is a uncountable. Fine. Book is a countable. Sugar is a uncountable. Milk is a uncountable. I hope everybody you have to clear. Now next is here nouns number. This one I also tell you so many times in the class. Number nouns where you have to add the s or es. Okay, by adding s, car, cars, dog, dogs, nails, nails. ठीक है, these are very important thing for you which I already told you class in so many times. By ending these words, by ending s, double s, sh, ch, o and x, you have to add es. Okay, for nouns ending जो words एंड में आपको एस, डबल एस, एस एच, सी एच से मिल रहे हैं, आपने उनके साथ ई एस प्लेस करनी है. बॉक्सेस, मैचेस, ई एस, बसेस, बुशेस, ड्रेसेस, मॉस्किटोज. ओके, मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज. नेक्स्ट आपका आ गया हाउ एवर सम नाउन्स दैट एंड ओ एंड एस इन प्लूरल फॉर्म. ठीक है, सम कुछ ऐसे नाउन्स भी होते हैं जहाँ पे आपको ओ मिलेगी लेकिन आपने उसके साथ प्लूरल फॉर्म्स में उसको एस के साथ कंटिन्यू करना है. कुकू, कुकूज, पियानो, पियानोज, फोटो, फोटोज, रेडियो, रेडियोज. ठीक है, स्टेरियो, स्टेरियोज. फॉर नाउन एंडिंग इज एफ और एफ ई. आई टोल्ड यू यहाँ पे आपको एफ और एफ ई मिलेगी. एफ और एफ ई को कट करके आपने क्या प्लेस करना है, वी ई एस. नाइफ, नाइव्स, लीफ, लीव्स, थीफ, थीव्स, वाइफ, वाइव्स. Same f take as an s plural form, but some words are there in which you have to write is like that. Chief, chiefs नहीं होता, chief ही होगा. Glove, gloves नहीं होता, fs glove. Same proof, not proves is there, ves not. Okay, next, by for nouns ending in y, by removing the y and adding ies. ठीक है, बेबीज कट वाई आई ई एस, बेबीज. लेडी कट वाई एल ए डी आई ए एस, लेडीज. नेक्स्ट, पोनी कट वाई, पोनीज. हाउ एवर वर्ड्स लाइक डे, बॉय, की, मंकीज एंड डंकीज टेक एज एस. क्लियर? some words are there which we are not cut the y, we have to take it as. ठीक है, for monkeys I will tell you there is a vowel word, and monkey, donkey, there are some vowel words are there placed there. There is a constant, then we cut y, but here is a vowel, then we didn't cut the y, we have to place s. Okay, keys, donkeys and monkeys. Next, some nouns change their complete form in the plural. yes, like for example child, children, complete form उसकी change हो जाएगी. मैंने आपको बताया हुआ क्लास में child is a single one child, children is a so many children, more than one. foot, feet, foot हमारा एक पैर है, feet two. goose, geese, मैन, ए एन जो है सिंगल पर्सन, ई एन सो मैनी. अगेन वोमेन, ए एन सिंगल वोमेन, ई एन सो मैनी. लूज लाइस, माउस माइस, टूथ टीथ. ठीक है. बट हाउस हाउसेज इज देयर. इन कंपाउंड नाउन्स एंड नाउन्स that are made up of two words, the main word changes to the plural. Fountain pen, fountain pens. Fountain change नहीं होगा आपका, pen change होगा. Water bottle, water bottles. Daughter in law, daughters in law. Commander in chief, commanders in chief. Passerby, passers-by. Grown up, grown-ups. Runner up, runner-ups. Okay. Next, some nouns remain the same in the plural. कुछ ऐसे वर्ड है जो प्लूरल में बिल्कुल सेम रहते हैं. शीप, शीप. शूज़, ऑलरेडी शूज़ इज़ अ प्लूरल वर्ड. हम शू नहीं बोलते, शूज़ बोलते हैं. सेम. सॉक्स नहीं बोलते, सॉक्स बोलते हैं. जीन्स, ट्राउज़र्स. टूल्स में सीजर्स, पार्लर्स, टंग्स. सब्जेक्ट्स स्विक्स, मैथमेटिक्स, फिजिक्स, इकोनॉमिक्स. डिसीजेस, मम्प्स, measles. Sports, billiards, athletes, gymnastic. Other nouns, innings, wages, news and spectacles. Okay, some nouns remain the same in the plural form if they are used to denote many of the same kind, but change if they are used to denote many of the different. इस लाइन का क्या मतलब है कि कुछ ऐसे नाउन्स होते हैं जो प्लूरल फॉर्म में भी सेम रहते हैं. दिस इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लाइन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वन फिश, मैनी फिश. इफ़ दे आर ऑल द सेम स्पीसीज़. ठीक है, कोई भी एक सेम स्पीसीज़ लेके हम चल रहे हैं, कोई भी एक सेम कैटेगरी हम लेके चल रहे हैं, तो उसमें प्लूरल फॉर्म उसकी जो है, नाउन्स रिमेन द सेम इन द प्लूरल फॉर्म. नाउन क्या है इसमें? फिश है. ठीक है, तो फिश सेम रहेगी, बट उसका जो प्लूरल फॉर्म है वो चेंज हो जाएगा, लेकिन वो जो नाउन है वो चेंज नहीं होगा. वन फिश, मैनी फिश. वन फिश, मैनी फिशेस इफ़ दे बिलोंग टू द डिफरेंट स्पाइसीज. आई होप एवरीबडी क्लियर. अगर एक ही स्पाइसीज की फिशेस हैं तो वहाँ पे प्लूरल फॉर्म चेंज नहीं होगी, फिशेस की नाउन चेंज नहीं होगा. अगर डिफरेंट स्पीसीज़ है तो वहाँ पे फिशेस चेंज होगी, क्योंकि हम डिफरेंट फिशेस की बात कर रहे हैं. मे बी उसमें वेल है, स्टार फिश है, एवरी फिशेस आर देयर. सेम ग्रास, ग्रास एन अनकाउंटेबल नाउन, हैंस डज नॉट चेंज इन द प्लूरल फॉर्म. Clear? Next, grass, grasses. If grasses are of the various kinds, you very well know that you have to also read your science. Grasses are of also many types. One fruit, many fruit. If they are all of the same kind. One fruit, many fruits. If they belong to the different kinds. I hope you everybody clear this point. अगर तो चीज़ सेम है, एक ही कैटेगरी में चल रही है, आपने मैंगो लिया है, मैंगो सेम है, आपने 1 kg 2 kg मैंगोज़ लिए हैं, ठीक है, तो दैट इज़ मैनी फ्रूट. अगर आपने अलग अलग फ्रूट लिए हैं, एप्पल, बनाना, मैंगो, स्ट्रॉबेरी, तो दीज आर बिलोंग टू द मैनी फ्रूट्स. लेट्स वन हैव अ लुक ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. गिव द प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ द गिवन बिलो. हॉर्स, हॉर्सेस. As you know that, very easy. Lady, cut while ladies. Loose. Let's have a look on exercise. Give the plural form of the words given below. Horse, horses. Okay, you already done this exercise. Lady, ladies. Next, louse, lice. Neck, necks. Hair, hairs. Okay. Next, dress, dresses. Next, monkey, monkeys. House, houses. Sheep, sheep remain same. Mother, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. Close up, close-ups. Then roof, roofs. Wolf, wolves. Echo, echoes. Hoof, hooves. Radio, radios. Dining table, dining tables. Child, children. Tooth, teeth. Chief, chiefs. Okay, next we have to make the singular. Give the singular form of the given below. Woman, यहाँ पे हमारा क्या आएगा? woman. ई नहीं आएगी, ए आएगा. woman. ठीक है. next word is Caesar. Caesars, Caesar. Mice, mouse. Next, shoes, shoes, because we already read this rule. See, some nouns remain the same in the plural form also, means you got in singular form also, in plural form also. Okay, swix, swix, feet, foot, thieves, thief, singular form, fruits, fruit, branches, branch, and jeans, jeans. Okay, next, correct the following sentences where necessary. where necessary means हमने सिर्फ वहीं पे correction करनी है जहाँ पे इसकी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. For example, in first sentence we have to change the 3 daughters have got married now, so the old lady has 3 sons, sons in law. Okay, 1 minute. Next, physics डिफ़िकल्ट सब्जेक्ट फॉर मैनी स्टूडेंट. ठीक है, पहली बात, फिजिक्स जहाँ पे आर नहीं आएगा, इज आएगा. फिजिक्स इज, देन स्टूडेंट इज हेयर, स्टूडेंट्स. वट इज़ द न्यूज टुडे? देयर इज़ नथिंग टू करेक्ट. आई वुड लाइक टू ड्रिंक सम वाटर्स. हियर दे प्लेस एस, आई कट इट एस. ठीक है, वाटर. नेक्स्ट, द बास्केट वॉज फिल्ड विद ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स, बिकॉज हमने यहाँ पे ऑल काइंड्स ली हैं, नॉट ओनली पर्टिकुलर वन काइंड. फादर हैज़ नॉट वॉर्न हिज शूज़, यहाँ पे एस आएगी, एज आई टोल्ड यू, शूज़ एंड सॉक्सिस. हेयर इज रिटन शू, ही ओनली वोर हिज सॉक. ठीक है ना, तो शूज़ एंड सॉक्सिस. नेक्स्ट बेटा, वुड यू लाइक टू सी द फोटोज़ दैट वी क्लिक्ड एट द वेडिंग. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने फ़ोटोज़ में ई नहीं लगानी है, यहाँ पे हमने सिर्फ क्या करना है, फोटोज़, एस. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज़ द सीज़न फॉर मैंगोज़. अगेन यहाँ पे इन्होंने ई प्लेस नहीं की, मैंगोज़ ई एस आएगा. द आंसर इज़ मैंगोज़. करेक्शन. देयर आर मैनी शीप्स गेजिंग इन द फील्ड. हम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं, शीप्स नहीं होता, शीप का शीप होता है, तो करेक्शन इज़ देयर शीप. द लीव्स, लीव्स यहाँ पे ये बिल्कुल गलत है, हम वी ई एस के साथ उसको मैसेज करते हैं, एल ई ए वी ई एस, ऑफ द ट्रीज बाय टर्निंग येलो. ठीक है, लीव्स. डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट चैप्टर, नाउन. ओके, नाउ you have to read the definition, types of this, and also revise this chapter at home. Read the rules carefully.